The default growth path is slow. Post consistently for 12 months, gradually accumulate followers, eventually become known. There's a faster path, engineering the social proof that real authority normally takes years to build. Done right, this isn't fakery. It's compression, doing the things established creators do, but starting on day 1 instead of year 3. The authority stack 6 elements that signal expertise to a cold audience. Original research or insights they can't find elsewhere. Recognizable visual brand, covered in Module 4. Mentions, citations, or features in third-party content. A body of work, multiple long-form pieces, not just shorts. Engagement with other creators in your niche. Visible follower count. Passes the credibility threshold. You can build all 6 within 90 days if you're intentional about it. Original research and insights. The most powerful authority signal is content that says something nobody else has said. How to manufacture original insights. Survey your audience. Even 50 responses to a niche question equals unique data. Aggregate public data. Pull stats from 5 sources, combine into one chart. Test something publicly. I ran the same prompt through 5 AI models. Here's what happened. Analyze your own results. After 90 videos, here's what actually grew my account. Example. A finance avatar surveys 200 followers about their biggest money fear. Compiles results into a State of Personal Finance Anxiety 2026 graphic. Posts the graphic on every platform. Other creators reshare it. The avatar becomes the source. That single piece of content lives for 6+ months. Podcast guest appearances. Cross-pollination is the fastest follower acquisition channel for niches with active podcast scenes. Business, finance, health, AI. For AI influencers specifically, this is challenging. Your avatar can't actually do a live interview. The workarounds, pre-recorded interviews, where the host sends questions. Your avatar's responses are, "Hey Jen rendered." Host edits them in written guest posts, articles on partner blogs and newsletters, Twitter Spaces, audio panels where you, the operator, speak as the avatar's team. Warning, don't pretend your avatar is doing live interviews. Audiences detect this fast and trust collapses. Frame it honestly. Maya's team built a written interview, or pre-recorded responses. The transparency actually works in your favor. Interview series and roundtables. Flip the model. Instead of being interviewed, your avatar interviews experts in your niche. Send 5 questions to 10 niche experts. Compile their answers into a single piece of content. Tag every expert when you publish. They reshare to their audience. Your avatar becomes the curator who's connected to everyone. This is one of the highest leverage activities available. Each interview takes 30 minutes of your time and provides months of authority capital. Live stream simulations. True live streaming with AI avatars is just becoming possible. Real-time Hey Jen, soul machines. For now, simulated lives work well. Pre-record a long-form Q&A as if it were live. Edit lightly. Add chat overlay graphics. Premiere on YouTube. Viewers watch together at scheduled time. You, the operator, reply to comments live during premiere as the brand. This gives the social experience of a live event with the production quality of pre-recorded content. Community building. An audience consumes. A community participates. Communities convert at 3-10x audience-only relationships. Community options for AI influencers. Discord. Best for tech, gaming, AI niches. Free Telegram. Strong in finance and crypto niches. School. Built specifically for creator communities. Circle. Premium, paid memberships. Built into your own site. McResoft. LMS supports member-only forums, social proof engineering. Get real testimonials from real users as fast as possible. Survey early subscribers. Ask for permission to share their feedback. Screenshot. Positive comments. DMs and post them as their own pieces of content. Run free tier or beta access to your product in exchange for case study commitments. Display testimonials on every sales page, opt-in page, and pinned post. Pro tip. People believe other people more than they believe brands. 5 real testimonials with names and photos outperform the slickest sales copy. Make collecting them part of your weekly workflow from day one. The credibility threshold. Most niches have a magic follower number where doors open. 10K followers. Brands consider you for sponsorship. 25K followers. Bigger podcasts return your emails. 50K followers. You can charge premium for sponsorships. 100K followers. TikTok and Instagram verification becomes available. Hitting these thresholds is mostly a function of consistent posting, plus smart hooks, plus community engagement. The authority stack accelerates each milestone, but doesn't replace the work.